Hello, everyone. Today, I will take you on an exciting journey from tiny seeds to juicy, delicious passion fruit. Have you ever wondered how to grow a passion fruit tree at our farm? Get ready because we will go through each step in detail, but it will be very interesting. Let's get started. And if you are curious like me, don't rush to skip because I guarantee every step is full of surprises. The machines are tilling the soil. Looking at the machines moving and turning the flat ground up, it looks amazing. First, the machines need to till large patches of soil at just the right depth. The next step is to level them into small particles to create a flat surface, dividing them into grooves as required. Isn't this a beautiful sight? Preparing the planting area. To have sweet passion fruit, the first step is to till the soil. This is the most important step, like building the foundation for a house. The soil needs to be loosened and mixed with organic fertilizer. I use decomposed manure and biofertilizer to increase the fertility of the soil. The land preparation work is completed. They will be dried for 5 to 7 days. The farmers will go to the field to do the next work. Do you know? Please leave a comment below for me to find out more. Next, the farmers will fertilize the soil. Usually, the fertilizers used will be manure and organic fertilizer. In this video, the fertilizer used is organic fertilizer to make the soil fertile and nutritious enough for the passion fruit tree to grow well. The width of the beds will be 50 centimeters apart. The width of the beds is 1 meter. The height from the furrow to the bed is 20 to 30 centimeters high to ensure that the plants are even and will not lack sunlight. Farmers pour each bag of fertilizer and sprinkle it evenly on the ground. The final step of soil preparation is to compost them with the soil layer using tools such as hoes and rakes. This step is really interesting. Let's go to the next step together. Now comes the interesting part. We will prepare the seeds for the passion fruit tree. Prepare a box of ripe passion fruit. Start peeling. Take the seeds inside and mix them with soft soil. Incubate them with a layer of cloth. Pour enough water on them. Keep the seeds incubated at a suitable temperature of 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. To ensure good quality seeds, high germination rate, and plants that grow up without pests or diseases. After the seeds germinate, the small passion fruit plants will be placed in a bag of soil to grow, watered and cared for until they are really healthy and big. Then it is time for them to go to the field. Don't forget to water immediately after planting so that the plant doesn't lack moisture. And remember, passion fruit is a climbing plant, so you need to prepare a trellis or stake for the plant to grow in the right direction. Did you know that if you don't make a trellis properly, the passion fruit plant won't thrive? Keep watching so I can show you how to care for and prune it in an extremely simple but effective way. Taking care of passion fruit trees is not too difficult, but requires patience. Every day you just need to water them regularly, especially in the dry season. Usually fertilize every 1 to 2 months so that the tree has enough nutrients to grow. Don't forget to prune old leaves and weak branches so the tree will focus on flowering and fruiting more. Passion fruit is often self-pollinated by insects. After about 3 to 4 months of care and development, the rows of passion fruit trees are full of green fruit. The first small passion fruits are gradually growing larger over time. They are planted and cared for according to the correct process. They grow very quickly. They are big, round, and plump, very attractive. The green skin gradually turns yellow or purple. What a wonderful sight, right? Passion fruit is often self-pollinated by insects. After about 3 to 4 months of care and development, the rows of passion fruit trees are full of green fruit. The first small passion fruits are gradually growing larger over time. They are planted and cared for according to the correct process. They grow very quickly. They are big, round, and plump, very attractive. The green skin gradually turns yellow or purple. What a wonderful sight, right? Finally, after all the waiting, here is the reward: harvesting juicy passion fruit. Typically, passion fruit will ripen after about 8 to 10 months from planting. You can easily tell when the skin turns yellow or deep purple. After collecting the passion fruit, it is brought to the processing facility. The first step is to clean the outer skin. The process is done by modern machinery. They are washed and dried. The workers will sort the passion fruit. Look how beautiful they are. Workers sort the passion fruit by hand, ensuring only the best get through. They are also sorted by size, looking at thousands, tens of thousands of golden passion fruit with a wonderful color. They are also graded by size, using gravity screening. Now these passion fruits have passed all the tests. They are ready to be packed from small trays to bulk orders. Each batch is carefully packed, sealed, and prepared for global distribution. The versatility of passion fruit, they can appear in all kinds of products, from drinks to dishes, cakes, and many more. When you see these pictures, have you prepared your own passion fruit to make dishes, cakes, or cool drinks? Please give me your good ideas about passion fruit in the comments section. So we have gone through the whole journey together, from preparing the land, planting, caring, pollinating, to harvesting and processing delicious passion fruit. Thank you for accompanying me in this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next journeys.